Hey guys, what's happening? This first part of Unit 10, which is going to be concentration. Just the first page notes, we're going to go through some vocabulary. It's nothing too crazy. I know you guys can read pretty well, so you can go through and see what a solution is. We have one substance dissolved in another. Um, the thing that is doing the dissolving, we call the solvent, and in our case, the only solvent we're really going to be working with is water. All right. So more solvent than solute, that's how we determine which one's which. And then the solute is the thing that is being dissolved. All right. And later I'm going to make a video that shows you what happens when you put baking soda in water. We're going to have a solvent and a solute. An aqueous solution is just when we have a solution where water is the solvent. So we will be working with all aqueous solutions. Now, this is where we get some interesting vocabulary because I think you guys have heard of this word electrolyte before. What that means is when something's dissolved in water, it will conduct electricity. And the reason that it can conduct electricity is because it forms ions when it's dissolved. So things will break apart into their ions. If you remember, we did the awkward middle school dance. We're going to kind of do the reverse of that. We're all going to break up. A non-electrolyte does not conduct electricity when it's dissolved in water. The example that I always use for a non-electrolyte is sugar. Sugar does not generate any ions. It's not an ionic compound. It can't conduct electricity when it's dissolved in water. Now, there's a couple different types of electrolytes. All right. And those couple different types of electrolytes are strong electrolyte, which means all the compounds or all the particles break apart into ions. There's none that stick together. If we look at weak electrolyte, this means not all the particles break into ions. Some of them actually stay stuck together, and you'll see what I'm talking about in the next slide with some diagrams.